Alright, behind me, you can see way back there are the mountains of Pandora, which means that we're spending the day at Animal Kingdom. We're here, I'm waiting for the girls. They bought something at a store and I went through security already, so let's go find them and then we'll have our day at Animal Kingdom.
Big Bird.
Alright, we found each other.
Took us a while through security. They actually found some knives, big knives, in the guy's backpack a couple people ahead of us. Pretty sure he was obviously military or police or something, but still can't bring them in here. So took a little bit because they had to call some other people over and then they had him go take them back to his car and all that. So we picked the wrong line.
Would they let you bring in a pocket knife?
I don't think so. It's Kevin again. Saw Kevin a couple times last time.
You said there might be stupid.
He's laughing. Or she's laughing.
You can go jump in and grab you a couple.
No, that was a funny joke. Happy birthday! Is it your birthday or is it her birthday?
There's steps over there. You can walk down the steps over there.
Ooh, I know what I'm
Alright, we're here for our Fast Pass.
That's for me.
Everest. One of Josie's favorite rides.
It's like my third favorite.
Your third favorite?
Then my second favorite is Toy Story Mania. My first favorite is what's it called? Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror.
I was about to say Hollywood Tower Hotel, but that's not the name.
Look at that, we made it.
You don't even have to touch it. You don't even have to touch the thing, Daddy. I held it like this far away.
Oh yeah?
The theming in this ride, the line, the queue, awesome.
Say again?
I said the theming is awesome for this line.
Oh yeah?
Universal, you have to check everything.
It is one of my favorites when it comes to theming. We'll be back.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y por favor, cuide a los niños.
Someone farted. I think that says that.
Cuide a los niños.
Expedition Everest. Daddy, do you think that says that? B&B. Yes.
No screaming.
This drop is at.
I probably have about 15 ponytails up there. This is what I want to do after hours here. Yeah.
Did it?
Is it raining?
That's the water bottle thing. We did it.
14 and a half times.
So we just did Everest for the millionth time, and it never gets old.
Fun.
It's awesome. So we
No way.
survived. Now we're gonna head over to Cali River Rapids. Right now, Josie is getting here. Let me if I can. What's this?
Where'd she go?
Where did she go?
But
Oh, she's right there. We lost Josie. She's in front of us. Anyway, she's getting the bugs and grub soft serve. Which
wait,
sounds.
they don't have the gummy worms? Never mind.
Never
Then
mind.
it's not bugs.
All right.
Just the regular stuff.
Next up, Cali River Rapids.
Welcome everyone, we are Bollywood Beats and my name is Laylee. Namaste. Very good. For this next number, we're going to be using our umbrellas and we need one special volunteer.
Little hidden secrets behind the little snack shack here. You can come here and get to these tables by the water. Nice view of the water. Theming is always great at Disney. Alright, going to the bird sanctuary. These birds have the coolest little bird houses. The birds themselves are pretty cool too.
Whoa! Scared. You see that big blue bird?
You check these houses out. Those are cool.
That one, sitting by the water fountain.
Oop. Here comes another one running by. There he goes. These houses are cool. Yeah. I'd want to shrink down and live in one. And that was the bird sanctuary.
Listen. It is time. Soon, a lion king.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited. It's gonna be King Simba's hide, Simba's finest play.
Okay, so that's it for our day at Animal Kingdom. We're hungry and we're heading over to the Wilderness Lodge for the, is it Whispering Canyon? What is it? Why do I keep getting Whispering Canyon?
Because there is a restaurant
Okay.
called Whispering.
Geyser Point Lounge for dinner.
Going to Animal Kingdom.
So there's Josie's
Henna.
pineapple henna. It's pretty cool.
It's not off yet.
It'll peel off in a week.
In a week? In like 5 minutes.
5 minutes. All right, we're off to eat.